Sunshine baby. Birds, foods and homes. Parrot eats seeds and nuts and it lives in cage. Eagle eats fish and small animals and lives in tree. Crow eats rat and small animals and lives in nest. Woodpecker eats peanuts and wood and lives in tree hole. Owl eats frog and small animals and lives in tree and barn. Sparrow eats worms and insects and lives in nest. Hen eats grains and insects and lives in coop. Pigeon eats grains and insects and lives in nest. Peacock eats insects and lives in ground. Hey kids, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give away a like, subscribe our channel and do share it. Ta-da, bye bye.